In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Zoho Books official app on your PC. Zoho Books is an intuitive online accounting software designed to streamline your financial management, and having it directly accessible on your desktop can enhance your productivity. So, let's dive in and take a step-by-step journey to get Zoho Books installed. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. The Microsoft Store is your gateway to accessing a wide range of apps, including Zoho Books. You can find the store icon pinned in your taskbar, or you may want to search for Microsoft Store, using the search bar typically located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on the icon to launch the store. Once you've got the Microsoft Store open, it's time to locate the Zoho Books app. Go to the search bar located at the top of the store window. It's a prominent feature designed to make finding apps easy. Type in Zoho Books and then press Enter. This will prompt the store to search its vast library for the official Zoho Books application. After typing in your search query, you'll be presented with a list of results. Scroll through these and find the official Zoho Books app. Ensure that you select the correct app to avoid downloading a third-party program that may not offer full functionality. You can usually identify the official app by checking the developer name and making sure it matches Zoho Corporation. Now that you've found the app, go ahead and click on it to open up its dedicated page. Here, you'll see more detailed information about the Zoho Books app, including user reviews and additional features. This is also where you'll see the Get button, a blue icon waiting for your attention. Click on Get to initiate the download process. At this stage, you might be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account, especially if you haven't already. This step is crucial as it secures your download and keeps a record in your purchase history. Once you've hit the Get button, the application will start downloading automatically, and installation will proceed shortly after. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so feel free to sit back and let your computer do the work. With the download and installation complete, you'll want to open your new app. You can locate Zoho Books easily by entering its name in your computer's Start menu search bar. Alternatively, you can also click the Open button that appears on the app's page in the Microsoft Store post-installation. Now you're all set. Enjoy having Zoho Books readily accessible on your desktop, streamlining your financial tasks with ease. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.